Building an outreach sequence inside your CRM is one of the most effective ways to automate and streamline your communication. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build that outreach sequence so you can connect with leads and clients effortlessly. The first step is to log into your CRM and navigate to the automation or campaign section. Most CRMs will have a dedicated place for creating sequences. Once you're in, look for a button or option that says Create New Sequence or something similar. This is where you'll set up your outreach campaign. Now, think about the flow of your outreach. What's the first step you want to take with your leads? Do you want to send them an introduction email, a follow-up, or maybe a helpful resource? This part is key because a good outreach sequence is personalized to what your leads need, not just a generic message. After that, start building out your sequence by adding your messages. These could be emails, texts, or even calls depending on your CRM's features. The best approach here is to have at least 3 touch points spaced out over several days or weeks. You want to stay top of mind but not overwhelm them. The next step is to set up triggers for your sequence. Triggers are actions that set your outreach into motion. Maybe someone fills out a form on your website or clicks a specific link in your email. These triggers will automatically add your contact to the outreach sequence, so you don't have to manually start it. Once you've got your messages and triggers set up, don't forget to add some conditional logic. This means customizing the flow based on how your leads engage with your outreach. For example, if a lead opens your email, you could send them a follow-up message. If they don't respond, you could try a different approach or trigger a reminder. Before you hit save, take a moment to test your sequence. Most CRMs will let you send test emails or preview the sequence to ensure everything works smoothly. Testing is crucial because you don't want to be surprised by a broken link or a missed message. Lastly, once you're happy with the sequence, schedule it. Timing is crucial in outreach, so schedule your messages at times when your leads are most likely to engage with them. Key takeaway: building an outreach sequence inside your CRM can save you time and increase your outreach effectiveness. It's all about planning your touch points, using triggers to automate the process, and adding personal touches with conditional logic. Remember, the goal is to stay engaged without being overwhelming. And as a quick reminder, if you want to follow along with this tutorial and get started with building your outreach sequence, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we used in the description below. This is available only to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your outreach sequence.